Okay, so time has come to get our bed prepped to do the spray-in bed liner that we're going to put in here. And I've got the kit already purchased, and it is a color matching spray-in bed liner. So when the bed is done, it'll match the brown that we've sprayed on the truck, and everything will blend in real nice. It won't be a black bed liner. So what we're going to do to get this prepped, majority of the bed we're going to prep with this tool I found at the store. It's called a nylon bed brush. Imagine that. And it's just a big nylon, almost looks like an old type wire brush, but it's made out of wire, nylon strands. And what this does is it attaches to my grinder, my rotary grinder, and this is a variable speed grinder also, so I can vary the speed and it won't grab things and get away from me. So what this bed brush does is it's just going to scuff up the surface of the bed, the paint, the original paint that's on here. And we don't want to take the paint off because it's a good base for us to spray our bed liner kit on top of. But we do need to have some tooth in it for that chemical bond to happen so that the bed liner adheres really well to the existing paint that's on the bed. So we need to do the entire bed surface. Most of it will be done with this bed brush. Some of the flatter surfaces I may use my DA with about a 220 grit paper on there, just something to scuff it up. I don't want to take the paint off. Anywhere where we have bare metal, there's a few places here that the plastic bed liner wore through the paint, and it's got bare metal showing. We'll have to prep these with, we'll just use some aerosol self-etching primer and cover these spots over so that we have no bare metal spots in the bed. And then we can get our kit out, read our instructions on the application, get everything hooked up. We'll get the entire truck masked off so that we don't get any of the material to overspray on our nice paint, and we'll start spraying. Alright, so I got my brush installed on my grinder, got my eyewear, and we're going to go ahead and give this a shot, and we'll do away with these. I'm going to start out at a fairly low setting because I'm not sure how this is going to grab yet, and then we'll speed it up as we need to. Well, this does a pretty good job. In that short period of time there, it's scuffing it up pretty good. I'm guessing that that's all it needs is a little tooth on it there for this material to grab into and get it to stick really well to the bed. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep twirling away with this thing, and hopefully we'll have the bed all prepped out by sometime this afternoon and be able to start masking everything off. Okay, it's the afternoon. I picked Ashton up from preschool today, and he had a good day today. So Ashton's going to help me get some of the bed sanded today so he can earn some money to get himself another new car. Right?
I need to take this off so I can get this off.
No, you leave your sweatshirt on so it doesn't matter if it gets dirty. What are you going to help me with today, Ashton? You're going to do this sanding? Are you going to sand with this one?
How about this one?
No, that's my tool. I have to use this one. You can use this one. Where are you going to sand for me at today? Going to do the side, that side, just that side?
And that side too.
And that side too?
Why is this dirty?
Yeah, it's dirty. So that's going to be your job, is to sand the sides with this. You remember how to sand with that, right? Keep it flat and keep it moving. You don't stay in one place.
Yeah, but we can do like this.
Yeah, that's right. You do it just like that.
You
So,
have to use this one?
and I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to do the bed floor while you're doing the sides. How's that sound?
Yeah.
You're gonna need your earmuffs on.
How about I put
You got your mask ready.
Yeah,
Keep
but
your-
how I'm gonna put it right here?
Nope, we're gonna put it on your face so you're ready to go. Okay.
Okay.
We'll put this over your head like that. Nope, not all the way back.
Ah.
We'll put it right there. There, now it stays on your face. This way you don't get all that dust and dirt and yucky stuff in your mouth.
But what does this do?
That's a vent that lets air in. All right, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Let me get your air hose. All right. Whoop, that's too fast. That's good. You ready? You're gonna do right here, just like this. Okay. You don't have to take all the paint off. Just make it like that. All right? Okay, here we go.
How about this? I'm gonna do this.
You gonna do that?
Yeah.
Yep, you can do that too. All right, you keep going on there. I'm going to work on this here. Okay?
That's very loud.
Let's see. What do you think?
That's not loud.
That's not loud. You're gorgeous.
Yeah.
Go down that far. You don't have to take the paint off. You just got to take this shiny off. Remember how I told you take the shiny off? So you just go over it, just scuff over it. You're doing good though. Doing a great job. Keep going. Got to get all this here.
We have to go to mow tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow.
Why?
We go Lowe's or Dollar General and get you a car tomorrow.
I want to go to the General.
Okay, well,
And I'm just buying
want to
a
change?
car.
Get that roll of paper.
What's that paper for?
We'll put you a new piece on here.
Okay.
Here, let me see. Just one. Whoop.
Okay, Papa.
Leave it here.
Papa, you put it right
No, it'll fall down off of there.
Put it right here.
Nope, it'll fall off of there too.
Right
Yep,
here.
yep, that's a good spot for you. Okay, keep going. You do on here. Do this side here. You got to get to see where it's still shiny right here. Look,
You have a
look,
hold
hey,
this.
look. See where it's still shiny here? Got to get that.
Okay, you have a hold this.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this, and you're gonna do that.
Okay.
All right, good job. All right, you're ready to go. It's all set. Your mask is good. You gonna put your hood up?
Yep.
There you go. Now you can't see that way.
Huh?
All right, let's go. Huh? A little bit of shiny there?
Yeah.
All right, we'll get it going. There, let's move this out of the way. All right. Get the shiny going. Huh? There's some blue there?
Yeah.
That's all right.
What is it?
I don't know. Yep, it's okay. He's just saying that too. You okay? Huh?
Tired.
Tired already?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Is it time for a break?
Yeah.
Okay, alright, we'll take a break. I'm gonna have to go in the house and get my knee pads. My knees are hurting.
Too.
My knees are hurting.
I need a hut too.
Oh.
Can you have some knee pads for me?
Huh? I don't have any small knee pads for you.
We could buy some for me.
I don't know if they have any that small.
Please.
Alright, we've got the bed masked off with some plastic sheeting, and I've gone ahead and wiped everything down. Pretty much prepped this the same way I would just to paint any other surface. I used my prep solvent on my glue cloths, my tack-free cloths, and wipe everything down. And then all the bare spots, I went ahead and I covered them with the Sim Company self-etching primer. Comes in an aerosol can. The stuff works great. I've been using it for 20 plus years on bare spots just before I do a paint job. Never had any issues with it. So we got the bed and the tailgate over here out of camera view where you can't see it. They're ready to be sprayed with the spray and bed liner, so I'm going to go ahead and get that stuff mixed up and put the gun together and start spraying. Alright, it's the next morning and we've let our bed liner dry overnight. Nice hard finish on it, and as you can see, color matches the outside of the truck. We'll pull off some of this masking here so you can really see how much it does match. So as you can see, that's a match. So I got to finish unmasking here. Get this all cleaned up, and then I can install the tailgate on the truck. And I'm still waiting for the bumper to come back. So if you're doing a truck and you're trying to figure out what to do in your bed, these color-coded spray and bed liner kits are a really good option. They hold up really well. I have not used this company's kit before, but I have used one from a different company, and it was installed in a work truck, and he wasn't ginger about anything he threw in the back of that truck. So, and it held up really well for the amount of time that he's had the truck. I think he had it 2 or 3 years after I put the bed liner in it, and the bed liner material held up really good on there. So this is a really good option to go with if you have a good bed. If you're not wanting to do a wood floor or anything in a bed, and you're just wanting something to give you some durability. If you're going to be using the truck at all, the owner of this truck plans to use it as a truck when he needs to pick things up. So he wanted to have something that would, protect the bed. He didn't like the plastic bed liner that was in it anymore. So having one that's colored to the truck is I think makes it look a lot nicer than having just a blacked out spray-in bed liner kit put in it. So I hope you got something out of that little tutorial on how to do a spray-in bed liner. It's a little different because usually when I'm painting, I'm trying to make sure things are as smooth as possible. With these kits, you're trying to put texture into it, and you can apply too much material and it will run. So you got to go back and try and blow it and make it spread some more and put texture back into it. So you got to, it's a fine line between putting texture in it and putting too much material on. So it's a little opposite of what I usually do. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video on another segment of finishing up our F350 project here. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Tell your friends, join the channel, hit that bell notification, leave me some comments, hit the like button, all that stuff, and I'll see you again soon.